All right, this is what the partial kit is gonna look like. So this particular customer wanted the power harness. So I got him a power harness here. And then he also wanted the taillight with the 3 bolts in the top. And this also has mounting for the license plate bracket. Once I finally get those in, those will be available to purchase, but I'm just planning ahead and giving him the style of taillight with these 2 inserts in it for that. And then we've got Banjo Bolt. I'm throwing it in for free because I did have to make a whole new product page for this, and that took me a little bit. And I just figured I'd throw it in for free for him since he forgot about it before. But anyway, this is all of the stuff that he'll need to basically finish up his kit. So these 2 here are going to be for power, for his headlights, and one is for his bar switch. And those are already wired up on the power relay and harness right here. And then the only thing he's going to really have to wire up that's a little bit more complicated is this, which will be for this tail light. I have an extender right here that's going to go from the back of the bike all the way to the front. He also purchased that. But basically, you take this right here and it'll plug into that extender, and then this is what's going to plug in at the front of his bike to his bar switch. So on here we've got a few different colors, but first of all, he's going to have to hook red just to 12-volt power, and that will be his running light. Black is obviously just going to be ground, and then the green is actually going to be right turn. So that is, he needs to hook that to his right turn on his bar switch, and yellow is left turn. And whatever color left turn is on his bar switch, he needs to hook that to this. And then blue is going to be for the tail light, the brake light, I mean. So he'll be hooking the Banjo Bolt to this, pretty much. So on one end of this, he's going to have power, and then on the other end, it'll be for this brake light. But that's pretty much how this is all wired up. It's going to be pretty straightforward for him. And then the last thing he's going to have to do is hook into this. This here is the relay trigger switch. So all you have to do is basically bridge these 2 connections and it will trigger the relay, turn everything on, and that's it. So I'm boxing this up and it'll be on its way to Canada for him.